Hello, everybody. I'm Julia Gordiva. I'm an SEO coach and also the creator of the Truth Bomb SEO workshops. So today I'm going to guide you how to set up Google Search Console, which is a great tool to track your organic traffic. All right. And today I'm with Evie, one of my students. Hi, Evie.
Hi.
I know that we recently set up the Google Analytics with you, and right now we are going to set up Google Search Console. Are you ready for that?
Yes, let's do this.
Okay, great. So I will share my screen so you will see what I'm doing and you can do the same, right?
Okay.
So please make sure that you are logged in with the same account as Google Analytics account, right? So your Google Analytics is already set up.
Yeah.
So log in there, and in the next tab, we'll log in to Google Search Console, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start. So when you, hold on. Yep, do you see that? Do you see my screen?
I see screen, yeah.
Great. So when you are Googling Google Search Console, it will give you the link and you will come on the screen like this. So you click Search Console. All right?
I don't have that screen. Hold
Yeah,
on.
I mean, if you already click, that's fine. So it's just like the previous step. If you see the same what I see right now, you're good. So do you see welcome to Google Search Console?
Yep, welcome to Google Search Console. Okay.
Cool. So they basically modified the Google Search Console recently, and they offer two options. You see, like for the domain and for the URL prefix.
Okay.
Basically, so what they're showing here is that what are the differences, right? So if you will choose URL prefix property, so it means that the exact property that you choose will be tracked. Right? So, but other versions of that, like this, you see HTTP, HTTPS, it won't track. And it won't track, let's say, the version with 3 Ws, okay?
Okay.
So if you choose the domain property, it will track all of it. All of it. So like, what's the catch, right? So the catch is that you need to use DNS record verification. And to do that, you need to contact the place where you bought your domain. So if you are not sure like what method to choose, so prior doing this research, like how hard it is for you to do the DNS record verification, right? If you can do that, so it's easier to do that because all the domains will be tracked, you see? Like this, HTTPS, 3 Ws, subdomains. Of course, this is the most beneficial way to track. But I know that maybe it's not the case, like you cannot verify it. So there is no point then do it, right? So let's try to do the URL prefix property today because it offers you different types of verification. All right, so let's go back. I will go back to the screen and we will choose the URL prefix.
Okay.
Right? So please make sure that you are typing the exact URL that you see in your browser when your website is open. So if you can open your website right now,
okay,
right? So you will see the exact URL shown here. So by URL, I mean like this one.
Okay.
Right?
And then you go to URL prefix and just paste there.
Yeah, just like copy paste whatever you saw in the browser and put it here. All right. So I will do with the domain that we tried to set up Google Analytics. Okay, so that was
Your new site.
I'm just trying to get back your new site.com. So let's continue. So they are basically offering a couple of options to verify. So one of the options, if you download the file, you see here, right?
Mhm.
So you need to put it to the root directory of your website. If you have a master, so he or she can do it easily. If you don't, so it makes this verification method more complicated, right? So if you scroll down, you see that it offers Google Analytics verification.
Okay.
Basically what that means, so if you have your Google Analytics set up and you have the right level of permissions, so you can automatically verify that. So I'm suggesting for us to try to verify through Google Analytics.
Okay.
Click there. So my code there was not installed, so that's why I won't be able to do that. But you can try and click verify, and please let me know how that works. So if you want, so I can stop sharing my screen and we'll see what you are seeing, okay?
All right, let's do that.
I will stop sharing and then you can share, all right?
Okay.
Okay, let's see what you have. Cool, yeah, so let's proceed with verify.
Okay.
Okay, failed. Failure, you could not find, okay, so probably the Google Analytics code is not inserted properly. Okay. So you are the one who created your Google Analytics account, right? So you are the owner of that.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes the problem is that with the permission. So if you're the owner of your Google Analytics, it's fine. But if it's not, so it's you, we could not find. Okay, so it means that the Google code is not inserted correctly on the pages. So there are two options to do next. So either make sure that your Google Analytics is placed correctly,
Okay.
trying to verify that, or trying to use another method. All right, let's click OK for now. Okay, for now. So you can download this file.
Okay.
And then you will need to upload it to your website. So, I mean, every website is different and the method of verification is also different. So today we learn how to set up the Google Search Console in as a Google property, but the next step is to verify your ownership. We will make an additional video on that, and I want to thank you for this video today, Evie. So thank you for joining me today.
Thank you.
All right, so let's wait for the second video, right? And we will see how to apply it to your website. And
Okay.
your website is the WordPress website. And in case you have the Google Analytics code placed correctly, so you may be able to verify it just through Google Analytics. All right?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for joining me today and creating the Google Search Console account with me. Okay, bye.
Bye.